Welcome to the Ultimate Side Hustle Masterclass. After 4.5 years from taking pictures in stores, doing surveys, mystery shopping, snapping receipts, from product to field agent to survey.com, all of those things, making one, two, three, good with luck, maybe $7 for each gig. I might have averaged up to be maybe $70 extra, $80 extra per month. And I thought that was great. I could pay off my phone bill. But it took me 4.5 years, and I think I have mastered it now. I don't make no $70 extra per month doing gigs. Now I make up to $2,000, even more per month, doing online surveys, online focus groups. And I'm gonna teach you how. I'm going to teach you exactly what groups to apply for, what groups pay the most, what online focus groups are looking for, what to say, what not to say in order to qualify for a study. So if you're ready for this extra money, this extra change, to buy Christmas gifts, to buy birthday gifts, to buy something special for you, you need to sign up for this class. And I guarantee you, if you follow the course, the studies that I have set for you, I guarantee you, you're gonna make just as much as I did. The Ultimate Side Hustle Masterclass is for anyone, any age group, as long as you're adult, any part of the world. So it doesn't matter where you're at, you can still make money from the comfort of your home. Don't take my word for it. Let me show you some videos. These are the checks that I received in 2021. I started again in the end of September of 2021. And as you can see, this is the money I have made. And these are the dates. Please look at the dates and the amount carefully. Then I received 2 gift cards. That was for $220, and this was for $125. Again, this is the money that I have made doing online focus groups at home. And again, I started in 2021 in September. All right, this is in 2022. From January, this was January to I think like June. And we're gonna start out here for $75, $175, $110, $150, $27.50, $150, $200, March 2022, $175, $15, $150, $150. $250. That's in April. April again, $75. $12.50. $15. That's in May, $50. $100. $125, $30, gift card $107, Visa gift card $400, $100, $10, $12.50, $12.50, $34, $15, $250, $125. And this is my Amazon gift card balance. As you know, I told you sometimes you get a gift card for Amazon. So this is today. And today is September 9th. And this is my balance. Just gift cards, because I love Amazon gift cards. And as you can tell, I received one on today for $150. So as for now, this is what I'm looking at. Plenty more to come. Remember, I told you, you can get an Amazon gift card or a virtual gift card. You get PayPal. You get virtual Visa or MasterCard is sent to you to your email address, or you can get a virtual check. Again, this is for 2022. Yes, those were real checks from real businesses, real people that pay me and will also pay you for your opinion on a certain item, a certain product, a certain website, anything. Remember, we are consumers. The businesses have to try to get their product out there to the community, and in order for them to know that it's a good item, a good product, they need people like us to review that item. So that's where we come in at. We give our review on it. Do we think this item is good? Do we think this item is bad? Is there anything we need to take away from this item? What do you think we need to do to improve this item? When it comes down to a website, is this website user-friendly? Would people understand this website? Is the font too big, or is the font too small? Is the font just right? They need our opinion on this item before the item comes out to the public, which comes out to sale to the consumers. So they just want to make sure this item is great before it comes out. I know it's hard to believe that people pay you for your opinion and your reviews, but they do. I just show you proof. They do. My only question for you would be, what are you waiting for? Sign up now and be a part of the Ultimate Side Hustle Masterclass.